Good afternoon from the Head Tenders Garage. Here we are inside my XFR. Now, a load of us XF owners and XK, I think, and XJ, F-Type owners, we have these lovely buttons on our centre consoles which get really sticky over time. And especially on warm days, they feel really tacky and they can look quite unsightly. So there's been a lot of questions about how do we fix it, what can we do? And my solution is these makeup wipes. So the Neutrogena makeup remover ultra soft cleansing towelettes, these seem to do the job. I've done buttons along here and I've done my temperature buttons as well, and they feel fine, they feel really good. These ones I haven't done yet, and I can just feel by my tip of my finger they feel a little tacky. So taking one of these like that, I can now gently clean my buttons using this makeup remover wipe. Now, it takes a little bit of time, you've got to be patient with it. I'm just going to work it on this button here. I actually saw a video, there was a guy in the States with one of the X351 XJs, and I think it was in his video that he had these Neutrogena wipes and he used them on his car, and it was great. And I was like, right, let's try this out, because I've tried a couple of things before and it doesn't really work. Sometimes with these you might have to go over them again, depending on how dirty they are. You might get like what feels like a white glue, sort of white, yeah, very gluey texture come off. Now that might just be some of the dirt, it might be some coating they put on the buttons and they're new, but either way, this will take off any goo, gunk, gluey deposits, whatever, and it won't mess up the buttons. I've seen on eBay you can get these like silver buttons that you just stick over all your sticky buttons, and some people have put them on and I think they're happy with them because they see it as a way to fix the sticky buttons, but I think it looks horrendous personally. I won't be buying them for this. I'd rather try and clean these buttons up and get them looking how they should. Since I cleaned these ones up, and I did these ones in the summer as well, I haven't had any issues with stickiness coming back. Who knows, maybe I took some coating off it, it's causing the stickiness, I don't know. But what I do know is that I'm not sticky anymore. So I'll just continue to wipe this button now. It looks like it's probably taken ages. I'm sitting here yapping at you, but already feels smoother. I think the key with these is that you kind of have to use your nail, and it looks like you're scraping stuff off the button. It looks like you're wrecking the button, but you're not. You're pulling off a layer of gunk. So if you sit back here with me, you can see what I'm doing. It's getting a little chilly outside now. can see now if I use my nail here, I don't know if you can see that, but see this gluiness here, and you can see there's just black behind the button. So it is like this has loosened some coating on the button, and now I'm using my nail there, and it looks like I'm destroying it, and it looks like it's going to be horrendous. Truth is, all that sticky goo is coming off with this wipe now. And now I'm going to keep going until I've done the whole button. So you have to be patient and take your time, but it's worth it when you don't have to put your fingers on nasty sticky buttons again. Now, other products I've tried using, even other makeup remover wipes that the wife has, haven't really touched it at all. And I didn't want to get into trying using like plastic trim tools or scrapers or anything like that, because I don't want to mess the buttons up. Those who know me know that I'm quite particular about the car, and I like it to look perfect, as perfect as I can get it to be. And these sticky buttons are they're horrendous. Although I think other people have had them far worse than I have. But let you see that now. I'll just scrape that off. You can literally see. That looks so much better now. Like I said, I've probably this is probably some special coating they put on the button that I'm taking off. But whatever it is, this is what gets sticky and horrible. If it gets sticky and horrible, then I don't want it. So, makeup wipe has softened it enough now, and the buttons, I'm able to just use my nail. Now you can see the difference as well compared to the mode button as well. So I'm going to have to do that one now. Get that one just as looking just as good. I'm just finishing up that mode button now. That looked pretty sorry for itself. Like I said, this is so worth doing if you have this on your XF or XJ. So I hope the video for cleaning up your sticky buttons has been useful to you. These two that we cleaned up are now perfect, no problem at all, and you can see that I haven't caused any damage to the button there. I do just need to just clean up the little corner of that button there now. A little bit of interior cleaner on that, we'll sort that out. But these buttons here, which I've cleaned before as well, using those Neutrogena wipes, no problem at all, no sticky residue, no problem. These ones don't feel too bad. These ones still feel like they've got a texturized coating, whereas it feels like I've taken it off on these ones now. But it really doesn't matter when you end up with buttons that look perfectly good like that. They function well, there's no damage to them, and there's no stickiness anymore either. This one up here has been like that now over 6 months, and there is no problem with that at all. They just feel like normal plastic buttons. So those Neutrogena wipes, I'd recommend you give it a go and see how you get on. Leave me a comment in the comment section. Let me know how you get on, or if you are in the UK, if you can come to me, come and see me at Head Turners Detailing, part of the Head Turners Garage service, and I can take these buttons on for you. We can get them looking good again and restore that premium feel to your car without it feeling all tacky and horrible. Cheers for watching, and give us a like and subscribe to the channel. Plenty more coming up, and yeah, I hope this helps you out. Thanks, guys.